Creating a documentary has never been easier, thanks to the power of AI. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Flexclip AI, a versatile and beginner-friendly tool to make a professional quality documentary. Let's dive in. Step 1. Visit Flexclip AI's website. Start by going to dude.flexclip.com and sign up for a free account. Flexclip AI offers an intuitive platform with smart tools to help you create stunning videos without needing prior experience. Step 2. Plan your documentary theme. Decide on the story you want to tell, whether it's historical, personal, or educational. Outline your key points and gather any related media like images, short video clips, or facts you want to include. Step 3. Choose a template. Once you log in, browse Flexclip AI's collection of templates. They have customizable options tailored to various themes, including documentaries. Pick one that suits your project's tone. Step 4. Add your media and script. Upload your images, video snippets, and any other visual elements. Flexclip AI also lets you generate text-based narration using its built-in AI voiceover feature. Simply type or paste your script, and the tool will create a natural-sounding voiceover. Step 5. Customize your documentary. Enhance your video with transitions, animations, and effects. Flexclip AI offers drag-and-drop functionality to make adjustments simple. You can also add background music from their library to create an emotional connection with viewers. Step 6. Review and export. Preview your documentary to ensure everything flows smoothly. Once satisfied, export it in high-quality resolution for sharing on YouTube or other platforms. Flexclip AI supports multiple formats, so you're covered regardless of where you want to share it. Conclusion. Flexclip AI is the ultimate tool for creating engaging documentaries effortlessly. With its AI-powered features and user-friendly interface, anyone can turn their ideas into captivating videos. Try it today and bring your documentary vision to life.